Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with Envato Elements Free, a platform offering a vast library of digital assets like graphics, photos, videos, and more. It's perfect for designers, developers, and content creators looking to enhance their projects efficiently. Step 1, create an account. You can sign up using Google, Apple, Facebook, or manually. Free accounts come with 12 free files per month and the ability to save assets into collections. Step 2, platform navigation. Once signed in, explore a wide range of resources like stock videos, motion graphics, video templates for Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and more. You can also access royalty-free music, sound effects, and graphics for tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. Step 3, using free file subscription plans. While some assets are free, others require a subscription. To access free files, click on More, then select Free Files. The free files of the month will appear, and you can choose which one you want to download by clicking on the Download button. For other assets, plans start at $16.50 per month, offering unlimited downloads and commercial licensing. Students can enjoy a 30% discount, and team plans are available for shared access. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you explore Envato Elements. See you in the next video.